This is the installation video for the White-Rodgers 21V51D-751 Carrier 2-stage integrated furnace control for PSC, ECMx, and variable speed blower motors. The kit includes materials needed to replace a 2-stage control for Carrier and ICP branded equipment for PSC, ECMx, and variable speed blower motors. The box includes a furnace control with mounting tray, 3 adapter harnesses, 8 wire nuts, a control label, and instructions for easy installation. First, ensure power and gas are disconnected prior to servicing the furnace. Remove the unit access panels. Check the part number on the existing control and verify it can be replaced with the 21V51D-751 using the cross-reference on the side of the carton or the White-Rodgers mobile app. This control replaces 4 Carrier ICP controls. Take a picture of the existing control for reference before disconnecting wires. Disconnect the thermostat wiring. Remove the Carrier inline plug. Take note of what color wires are going to each terminal. Remove the low-voltage blower motor wires for common, high heat, cool, low heat, and spares. Disconnect the 24-volt transformer wires and the 120-volt power and neutral transformer wires. Disconnect the blower motor 120-volt power and neutral wires. Remove the 120-volt power and neutral wires. Disconnect the 3-pin Molex hot surface and inducer plug and neutral wires. Finally, remove the board. Dip switches control the furnace blower settings. Dip switch settings should match the existing control. Make adjustments according to the dip switch configuration chart in the instruction sheet. The default blower type configuration dip switch is set for PSC and variable speed blower motors. For this application with an ECMx blower motor, SW3 dip switch number 4 can be moved to the off position by breaking through the yellow plastic film. This control includes a fan-only speed selection. SW3 dip switch 2 and 3 allow the user to easily select the high heat, low heat, or cool blower speed when the thermostat is set to fan on. For heating applications, this control allows for a single-stage thermostat to be installed and the control to function as a 2-stage control. For cooling applications using a single-stage thermostat with a 2-stage outdoor unit, ensure an air conditioning relay disable jumper is present. The new board matches the existing board's 3-hole mounting system for easy installation. Refer to the harness selection table in the instruction sheet to determine which harness is required. Harness A is the thermostat harness. Its wires are color-coded for easy identification. Wiring can be done outside of the furnace prior to installing the control. This application only requires the use of harness A. Use harness B for ICP furnaces with PSC-only blower motors to connect the furnace wiring to the Carrier ICP inline plug. Because of the locking polarized tab on the inline connector, you cannot simply reverse the existing wiring. Using harness B flips the pins and allows them to match up correctly. Harness C allows older Carrier PSC furnaces to convert from a Molex connector to an inline connector. If required, plug the harness into the inline connector, the 3-pin Molex into the HSI and inducer power plug, and connect the HSI and inducer neutral wires to the neutral L2 terminals. When using a variable speed motor, plug the motor controller into the VS motor pins. Plug in the 3-pin Molex hot surface and inducer plug and neutral wires. Connect the 120-volt power to the L1 spade on the relay. Then connect the neutral wires. Connect the blower motor 120-volt power and neutral wires. Connect the 120-volt power and neutral transformer wires and connect the 24-volt power and common transformer wires. Connect low-voltage ECMx blower motor wires for park, low heat, cool, high heat, and common to the 3/16-inch spades. If you are installing in a PSC blower application, the 1/4-inch motor connectors are located on the relays. Connect thermostat wiring. Use adapter A and wire nut thermostat wires to label adapter wires. Then plug adapter A into the inline thermostat connector. Plug in the Carrier inline plug. Ensure all wires are secured to the control board and unused blower speed wires are attached to the park terminals. This control also features a twinning terminal, a 120-volt electronic air cleaner accessory terminal, and a 24-volt humidifier terminal. The system is now ready to be tested. Reconnect electric power and gas to the unit. To enter self-test mode, turn on power and ensure the door switch is engaged. Press the select button twice within 3 seconds after powering the control. If there are faults, the control LED will flash in red the last error code only. It will do this 4 times. If there are no faults, the LED will flash 1 short and 1 long red flash 4 times. During self-test mode, the LED will slowly flash between green, amber, and red while the control runs the inducer motor, igniter, and blower motor through all available speeds. When self-test mode is complete, the control will enter standby mode and display a green LED. To verify proper ignition, make a call for heat. The LED will slowly flash a single amber flash. The normal sequence of operation is inducer blower, pressure switch actuation, igniter warm-up, gas valve, flame sensor, blower, humidifier, and EAC if so equipped. The tricolor LED conveys system status and fault codes. If any faults occur during the cycle, a flash code will indicate the fault. The LED is displaying 3 short followed by 3 long red flashes. The fault is repeated after a 2-second delay. A control label indicates a limit circuit fault. To clear the fault codes, press the fault code button labeled Select for 5 to 10 seconds. The flame current test pads are easy to access and provide the flame current reading. Reinstall any panels that were removed. The 21V51D-751 is available wherever White-Rodgers products are sold. For Carrier and ICP branded equipment, be sure to stock the 21V51D-751 for 2-stage applications, and for single-stage applications, stock the 50M56U751 or 50M56D751 for older edge card systems. Service of HVAC equipment should only be performed by a licensed and properly trained technician. Failing to follow all applicable HVAC standards of operation and maintenance, including applicable codes and manuals, can result in potential hazards, including but not limited to electrocution and fire. Thanks for watching the White-Rodgers Carrier Furnace Control Installation video. For more information, visit copeland.com/21V51D-751.